Hey, what is going on YouTube? This is the Gaming Guy, and today's video is obviously our normal, finally back to scheduled, like, unboxing that we do every Tuesday if the item arrives on time. So today my week 16 item arrived, or items in this case, have arrived, and yeah, we're just going to unbox them. Let me know down below if your week 16 items have arrived. If they have, what did you order, what did you cop, what colorway did you cop, or did you get an accessory, and what color or size did you get the accessory in? If you didn't go for anything, let me know down below why you didn't go for anything, or whether you just slept on the week because it didn't really, like, make you want to purchase anything. I was going to upload a video yesterday going over the whole like Nike Spectrum shoes that are coming out, or Supreme Nike Spectrums, and the summer tees. However, I was extremely busy with helping pack away a uni end of year show. So anyway, let's get straight into this. I'm using a tripod that isn't so useful, and it's instantly just cut away a massive section, so that's brilliant. Okay, that's probably the best that I'm gonna get this too. So, week 16 package arrived, which should be the 2 pouches. Okay, so we've got a letter that is not needed to see, but finally I get a letter. I haven't received one in like 3 weeks, so that's good. Right, 1 box logo sticker and the packages. Okay, so here they are. We've got both the C-line pouches in the small and large, both in red, obviously. Is this doing anything? Is this stuck to this, or is this just air sealed tight? So there's one of them. They put like an example of money inside, or like a card or whatever, to show what can fit inside, like the sizing of what can fit inside, which is decent because I presume that these are basically used for people who go like surfing or anything like a kayak maybe, and then you just put money or whatever inside. And yeah, it can be used, you know, just to go to like the beach cafe sort of things and purchase stuff, because it's very basic. This one is another one of the same sort. However, this one, they show that a passport can go inside. So yeah, they actually say what the small and large can use. One's credit card or money, one's for passport or wallet. So that's their obviously like recommended uses, or what they recommend. So yeah, then what they've just got on the front is they've put like a white little sticker you possibly might be able to see here and here, which just highlights one's large, one's small. Does the Supreme go onto the back? With this also, the Supreme does not go onto the back, it's just on the front, the print of it. I was expecting it to go onto the back, so it just followed around, but it doesn't do that. Oh well. But yeah, that's gonna cover this video. I was expecting it to be a bit more, like a bit longer of a video, but they're just very plain and simple, unfortunately. But they're just gonna join the collection, so they can obviously be used to store some things as well if I ever need them to. So that's gonna cover this video. If you enjoyed it, like, be much appreciated. We're also like 40 subscribers off of 4,000, which is just mind-blowing, like genuinely mind-blowing. I've also got some extra footage to throw at the end, since I unboxed something else the other day, or last week or so, so I'll throw that in as well. But yeah, thank you very much for watching. If you enjoyed, like, be much appreciated. Comment down below if your items have arrived, and all appropriate links will be down below. I've also got my first Instagram post will be out on Thursday, because a lot ask about that, so yeah. That'll be up on Thursday, so yeah. I'll see you then, not see you then, I'll see you tomorrow for a full drop list video. Peace.
Don't do that while I'm... It's so terrible. No, Daniel. Daniel, that's just horrific.
No, don't do that. Don't do that. Do you know what this is?
What?
For a backdrop. Finally have something for a backdrop.
Was that one on Facebook?
Yeah.
Supreme. Tag on it.
He's so happy because he's got 2 box logo. That's going to be your thumbnail for your collection video.